Welcome back. Now in this lecture, we will test the API to send an image or a PDF document through the API. So many times in businesses, we need to send the images or the invoice copy through PDF, etc. So for this, in this cloud API, under messages, you can see the send image by message ID. In this case, we require a message ID. Like first, we have to upload the image through the Facebook API, then that return a message ID. It's a different thing. What I'm covering here, send image by a URL. So in this case, we must have a URL which is pointing to the particular image, and same for the document. Okay, this is the preferred method, like where to store the images and the document on a server, and that link should be publicly accessible. It should not have any kind of authentication, encryption, nothing. A simple, plain, secure web URL will required to test the images and the document. For document also here you can see by ID and by URL. So both the send image and send document by URL will test here. So I will expand this post method. Okay. So this time, like every time, I'm just copying the previous one. Now I will create a new one. So this is our collection. Add a new request. Select the post. Go back here. This is the URL. URL we can use the same one. Give the name here, like send image by URL. Okay, save this. Go back. Let me copy this. This time we'll do completely manual without copying. So we should know in real time how this works. So here we have to add the version. So which version we are using? So our API version here is come down like V 2.0. Okay, copy this 0. Okay, here like you can remove this completely and we'll add manually here the same way. Okay, then we have to enter the phone ID, phone number ID. This is the phone number ID. Okay, I copied this and here we'll enter the phone number ID. I am removing the variable. Environment variable I removed and I added here. Okay, this is the phone number. Now go to authorization here, select barrier token. Now my previous one might have expired, so I will create a new one. So generate the access token again. Sometime it get expire soon. Reconnect. So this generated a new temporary access token. I copied that and I'm entering here. Okay, go to header again, like content type application slash JSON. The content type here application slash JSON. Let me copy from here. The header application slash JSON. Okay, now in the body, if you see here, we have to enter the image link, complete URL we required here. First I'll copy the body and here raw JSON, add that. Remove this and replace with the phone number. This one I will remove. I will replace with the phone number. Okay, and here we have to enter the image link. So I created an image on one website. You can also try that. Okay, so if I enter this URL here, you can see this image. Okay, so like this we should have public URL, publicly accessible URL. So I will just add the URL here. Yeah, before this I forgot to open my WhatsApp here. So let me just open my WhatsApp here. Okay, so everything is done. Authorization is done. Header is done. Okay, body is done. Okay, and the endpoint URL. Let me just open the WhatsApp on the screen and we'll continue. So I open my WhatsApp here. So now what I will do here, we've done everything, just save and send the message. Once we send, here you can see success, okay, and the message ID is generated. Go to WhatsApp, see. As soon as we send the message from there, here I receive the same image. So like this many times we need to send the product images at all. So this very simple method we can use. It is very easy to use once you know the concept. So next I will just copy this URL as it is. I will make a duplicate. Okay, and this time I will send here document by URL. Okay, for a document, again the body will get changed. Come down and see here like send document by URL. See, there are so many APIs out there. So based on your requirement, you decide which one you want to use. Okay, so this is the body for a document. As we know, the endpoint URL is same for all the APIs, even the authorization and header. Only the body gets changed every time. Okay, so I will copy this body here for document, and now I will send a PDF document here. So the image is done. We have seen that. Okay, so again here I will add first into I will add a number. You have to add mobile number with the country code, and only change here is document. Yeah, and link and caption is also there. Okay, so now I have one more here like web URL. This is freely available. Okay, I also don't have the dedicated server for this, so I just Google to ChatGPT and I found this URL. I tried first with the Google Drive. Okay, remember Google Drive link doesn't work even if you enable like anyone can access, but this doesn't work in the WhatsApp. Okay, that's why I was looking for some other. So I found one. So if I enter this URL here, you can see the PDF document will get generated. So first I enter the image, and now I will show the document, PDF document. Okay, so like this the same file will get open. So I will copy that URL here, and here I will give the caption. Let's say invoice number hash 123456. And one more thing here I will show you, like to add bold letters here, it is I think we have to add a star mark asterisk here. Let's see whether it is coming in bold or not. Or first I will just copy as it is. We'll trigger two times. We'll trigger this two times. Okay, save. So here the messaging product WhatsApp will fix recipient individual. We actually need individual to and document. Okay, save and send. So this should send the invoice. See here we got a 200 success. Okay, so go to WhatsApp. See, I received this document untitled, but here you can see the invoice number. If I click this, the same document should get open, which I shown. Okay, see the invoice number 123456 test file. Okay, now let me show you one thing. Here it is like a normal letter. Like so, to make it bold, we just need to add here a star mark before and till we want. Okay, let's see how this will come this time. Again, if I send the same file, so 200, one more message. See, this time we can see the text in the bold letter. Okay, we can see the text in the bold letter. So like this, we're done with the session of sending image and the PDF document through WhatsApp Cloud API. And based on your requirement, you can explore the other APIs. It is very simple. Okay, just check the body. And for the complete documentation of all the APIs here, you have to click on this first main node, WhatsApp Cloud API, and here you can go through the complete documentation. Okay, to get more details, click here view complete documentation. Okay, on the left side you will get the link and you can directly jump to the respective one. Suppose here I want to send, I want to go to text message, first one which we tested. So this will give the complete documentation of that, like post, this is the URL, okay, to send a text message, make a post call, okay, everything complete authorization barrier, everything will get here. Okay, just go through this documentation, like, okay, in case of any query. Otherwise I covered like template message, text message, text with URL preview, then the image, and now we have also seen the PDF document. Okay, thank you.